Oh, we got home today, and we got a few things sitting here. And then look at this guy. Look, we found him too.
I got delivered.
We haven't seen him in a while. All of a sudden he shows back up when there's a bunch of presents and shit.
Happy birthday.
To me or you?
Everybody.
Everybody!
Hey, I like how they stacked them though.
Yeah, and I like that they're starting to put them next to the garage, because carrying them from over there to over here, even though it's not that far, is still a pain in the ass.
Happy birthday.
We got stuff.
I know. Is that the Jegs box that came yesterday?
No, the Jegs box that came yesterday is inside already.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that one that's sitting right there.
Oh, I know. Didn't know you've been inside already. Mm-hmm. Yes. I have not been inside yet today, but I'm sick.
That's fine.
And I'm dying. I don't want to die.
Let's look it up.
Sad. You don't want it. You don't want any of this.
I don't get sick. Let's look it up.
I say that too, but
no.
It's been so long since you've been here.
Hey man.
It's like you don't like us anymore.
You know how cold it was this winter?
You know we have heat, right?
It's still cold as fuck. Okay.
You got a heater.
Yeah, but that's how you die.
Listen, but did you die?
Look, I'm pretty sure your brain cells have been. You haven't been up to par lately.
Listen, that's more to do with the fact that I'm running ragged than anything.
I'm hoping that this is the gas tank.
That's what I was assuming. It's the right size to be the gas tank.
This is all the dynamite?
Well, they're sheets.
Car?
They're sheets.
They're pre-cut though.
Yeah, they're all sheets.
Don't open it up yet.
I'm not opening it up. I'm seeing how bad the damage is here where the hole is. And it seems solid, so you're good.
It's okay, we can pound it out.
I don't know what this is.
That's probably the rest of the fuel tank.
Oh yeah, did you see our lineup of
I was like, oh man, my car's over here.
Yeah, you got put into the doesn't move much pile.
Oh. Alright.
Well, it's also where we put the GM products.
Hey.
You know, we don't want them catching any of the diseases from the common folk.
Hey, I don't blame you. It's a pretty good looking GM products you got there.
Yeah, smashed. Yeah, and meh, and then fuck.
Let's go get these boxes in.
Yeah.
Taking it back over here in the nice weather.
You're such a douche. I'm like a bird. I fly home for the winter.
My way of thinking, Brian, mad at you. And I'm like, no, it's cold as fuck.
I know. Maria's like, does Joe not come over anymore? John said the same thing too. I was like, I think his wife grounded him.
No.
He's not allowed to come hang out anymore. Oh wow, I was expecting this to be like heavy. Now, listen, I don't know why. I can't explain why I thought it was going to be heavy. I just had it in my brain that it was going to be.
So we know what this looks like, so we're not going to open that up.
We don't need to open the dynamite now.
It literally looks just like that one. Oh, that's dash pad.
Oh, you have dash pad?
Yeah.
Is that one made in Canada too? Canada too?
I don't know, but that's $300. This one seems smaller.
It is smaller than that one.
Okay.
They're different.
I don't know.
And that one's got a big ass hole in it.
Yeah, it's a 4-pan, so we'll leave that. I know the fuel tank was getting shipped in 2 boxes. It's 2 shipments.
Well, I would assume the one that says tanks is probably the fuel tank.
Good guess.
If I had to take a stab in the dark at it.
Alright, let's get, we might as well open Jegs up first.
What was the first one here? There's a razor blade somewhere.
Oh, here you go.
Yep, that's the one I was talking about.
So, that's some stuff.
Oh wow, they did a terrible job of taping that box. Jags is getting a D in the box preparation department.
I don't have the door pins here either.
What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? Oh!
Smokers thing.
Yeah, alright, what else you got? Another one of those?
4.
4. Are they all the same?
Yeah.
Alright, nice. Door handles, what's that?
It's for the, that.
Oh, steering wheel.
Yeah.
Nice.
Stuff for the door panels we don't have.
Nice.
Alright.
Ooh, jag stickers. Do we have jag stickers?
Do we have things?
Yep, we got a jag sticker already.
Yeah, we do.
This is,
Should be the steering wheel.
yes. And actually the install kit.
Yeah, looks like a bolt kit for that. Yo, what is that?
I don't know, but I like it.
Those look like they're for seat belts or something.
Saying.
Yo, these are legit. These are gonna look real good in my car. Just saying. That's kind of cool.
It's the classic version.
Yeah. No, I mean it's simple and yeah, I dig it. Is there a pad for the center?
Yeah. But I'm gonna try to use the Firebird one.
Ugh.
I don't know if it'll
I
fit.
gotta say it's and it's rough
But you can put that.
with a capital. Ugh. Yeah. Here, let's
Throw everything in there, dude.
Well, I wouldn't throw everything. Let's throw everything that's gonna go. I'm still trying to figure out what the hell these are.
I don't know.
They almost look like seatbelts should go through them. If anyone has any idea what the hell these are, let us know in the comments. You know, the whole nobody that comments on videos.
They're free, so
We used to cry about that before too. But for the door panels?
Yeah, that I don't know where they're at. It's probably one of those. That's probably the door panels.
Maybe. That's a little long for door panels. Alright, so Jag's box. We've now made it smaller. Gonna go there. Cut it with the. I don't know where the cut goes. I'm gonna blame it on Bean. Bean lost them.
I got these. These work. Here. Alright. I feel like
It's a little long for door panels, don't you think?
they're a little small for them. Maybe. I don't know.
No, that's the floor.
Okay. Floor pan.
That's nice. That's the passenger side, yeah.
Passenger. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause that's the rear.
Very
I
nice.
think.
We'll figure it out when we get in.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. I like it.
Yeah, that'll do, donkey.
And you're good.
Good. Easy, bro. Alright.
Alright.
Part of me would say the floor pan.
The other floor pan, the other floor pan.
Okay, so what's in the freaking last one?
That's gonna be doors, maybe?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Hold on.
Part of it. Bad.
So, 2 door pans, or 2 floor pans. What's in there?
The good stuff's in there.
What's the good stuff?
HP Kinder.
Oh, is that one? We think? Try the other side. Yeah, I think it's gotta come out the ends. Yeah, whatever's in there comes out the end. Alright, now flip it up. Yeah, there you go. That is a dash pad. Yeah,
Know what a dash pad look like?
that's rich Corinthian leather.
Not rich, but it's cracked or rusted through. So,
And it's Corinthian. It's from Corinthia.
in the state of Corinthia.
Dynomat, it looks like Dynomat.
So what's this?
I don't know, open it up.
This is like
Probably your door panels
door panel?
rolled up.
Carpet?
No, it's definitely not the carpet. Frame connectors.
Frame connectors. Okay.
And then I'm assuming that's the tank.
Yeah, but where's the? Let me make sure everything's in it.
Well, there's probably another box because it's probably in that box.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Before we start assuming they didn't give a shit.
Well, I already called Jag and asked him where my freaking door panels were at.
I thought you said the door panel. You just now figured out the door panels weren't here.
Yeah, that's what.
Oh, you mean you already have to?
No, I got one shipping up there. That was supposed to come on the same delivery.
Yeah, so you have to call them,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
you already called them. I don't know which one it is. All right, so it looks like there's a fuel pump in there somewhere. Oh, that's an alternator bracket. with pulley, noise, and noise.
So if you want yours back and you want that one, let me know.
I'll take mine back.
Okay.
Stay stock. That is the 450.
One, I don't know, but yeah, I mean,
Yeah, because that one's probably in there. Yep, nope, this is a 450. So wallbore 450. Ooh, the HP tunes.
Where's the?
It's gonna be on the receipt, I would assume. We'll have to redeem it online.
Oh, okay.
Type of deal. But hell yeah, the MVB2, MPVI 2,
2 credits.
and 2 credits.
Tank.
Oh, that's the sending unit.
Yeah. So,
Easy now, so I'm just gonna pull out. There's a reason it's like that. Put it, yeah, don't even mess with that yet. What else we got?
this is the Warble 450.
Is it?
One comes with 255, and I had to order the 450.
Yeah, no, I get it. But
So,
which one's which? Because I think that's the sending unit.
yeah, definitely this is unit. No, GPA series, that's not instruction.
Oh yeah. Here, unfold this so we can see what the fuck's going on here. I feel like we're opening a fucking hoagie. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's,
So that's the 150. Yep, this is the sending unit.
yeah, so this is the kit.
Yep. Cool. So yeah, get rid of that paper. We're gonna do that. But yeah, so now instead of putting,
This is the 220.
that's the 225 or 250 or 220.
225.
225.
Yeah.
It's a little guy. But it'll come in good for some project.
Something.
Where did you put that?
Where's John's?
You have a shelf down there.
This is for anybody who wants it.
Yeah, put it on your shelf for now. We're gonna go through our shelves because our shelves are fucked. Here, put that where that goes. We're gonna have to figure out fittings too. What do you got there?
You guessing?
Only one?
No, there is.
Only one.
No, there's 2 in there. This stack.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say. Do we want to open the tank?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we know it's a tank, but we probably should make sure it's not damaged or anything.
Oh, the USPS stuff didn't come here.
Okay, but what was that?
The windshield.
Oh, the panels? Whatever, it's not like we needed them today. I don't know how that, yeah, it looks like a split jobby. It's your tank in a box. Okay, nope, that's not happening. Oh, easy, bruh.
Should fall on me.
What's that?
Hard to. Oh, I don't know.
Ooh, that's got hard stuff in it. Oh, that's a bung. And instructions and shit.
Very nice. Very nice.
You're gonna need to find the razor blade now.
Yeah, I do realize that. You can hold this with one.
Oh yeah, we got, oh wow. Gaskets.
Hope so. This is a very expensive kit.
Whoa.
Yep. I'm gonna open it this way.
Oh, yeah, that's the return. That's nice, bro. Nice. It says open the other end.
That's my fault.
But it says open the other end. Very nice. Oh, it's bent.
I'm pretty sure that's where the straps go.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's bent.
I'm pretty sure that's that.
Oh, okay. You're cool with it, I'm cool with it. Easy now.
Do I have that filler neck?
Yeah.
Do you have a filler neck?
Yeah, we talked about this last time. Yeah.
Good to go. Let me just, before I do anything, I need to check the jeg stuff and see
Alright, this needs to go.
where my door panels
Sure.
are.
Like, how about there would probably be best.
Your order is on the way.
Oh, well, let's order us up. So yeah, that's on unboxing parts and crap with Mr. Joe. He's back. We're gonna do Pontiac things.